What's the meaning of Chinese cabbage? Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage.
Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage. Chinese cabbage is a leafy vegetable that belongs to the Brassica family. It has a cylindrical shape and is characterized by its pale green color and its white veins. It is widely used in Chinese cuisine, particularly in stir-fries, soups, and pickled dishes. Chinese cabbage is low in calories but rich in nutrients, including vitamins A, C, and K, as well as calcium and potassium. Its mild flavor and crisp texture make it a versatile ingredient in many dishes, and it has become popular in Western cuisine in recent years.